So hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about multi-words variable names, which means variable name with more than one word and can be difficult to read. So for this there are three types of multi-word variable name. The first one is camel case, means each word except the first start with the capital letter like such. If I write it like my variable name, and if I assign some value to it as John, and this is the example of camel case. Let me write a comment to it also so that you can remember it. That is camel case. And now next is Pascal case, which means each word starts with a capital letter. In the same way, but in this the first letter is also capital. So that is Pascal case, equals to, if I write here Matthew, and add comment to it also as Pascal case. Next is, first one is camel case, in which each word except the first start with a capital letter. Next is Pascal case, in which each word starts with a capital letter. Next is snake case, in which each word is separated by underscore character like this. My variable name equals to Mary, as that is snake case. So these are multi-words variable name. If you want, you can print them, and since it increases the readability of our code, so these are the multi-word variable name. Next is we will discuss assign multiple values, means many values to multiple variables. Leave it in the same way. If I write it like x, y, z equals to, and uh, if I assign some values to them as orange, apple, and banana, and now if I print them, you can print them separately or in the same line. I'm printing in the same line. You can check to print in different line also. It will not show you any error. But if I run it now, so it will show you orange, apple, banana like this. But if I write the same as print x, print y, and print z in this form, and now if I run it, it will show you one by one. So this is the difference in the output if you print on the same line and if you print on the different line. And from this I am showing you that you can assign many values to multiple variables. Here you can also add comment many values to multiple variables. This is such. And we can also write in this form as x equals to y equals to, don't give indentation here, x equals to y equals to z equals to some value like orange. And now if I print like the previous one, x comma y comma z, so we can assign single value to multiple variables, or we can assign multiple values to a variable. Now if I run it, it will show me 3 times orange, like such. Orange, 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 3 times. So this is